I just finished this little mess of tikis up. I figured I'd show y'all a little video of them. Do a little quick video. Couple parrots in the mix. Couple little guys. Couple turtles. So you got the back of these parrots. Palm tree. And this is just a cutout on a 1-inch thick piece of sawmilled cedar. That's pretty much it. I'll put some more stuff up later. I just figured I'd show a little video of these real quick. Oh, stay tuned for some new stuff, and thanks for watching. Oh, a little mess of stuff over there too.